So here the team is gathered to try to restore a house where the corner of the house got tore out by a tornado. Actually, a tree came out, took out the corner. So you get to see what it's like to try to rebuild with, and they asked me to try to rebuild it with the materials that we have instead of, you know, fixing everything. We're just gonna try to patch it together. So there's the pieces we had to work with. There's the hole. We're fixing the hole. Taking the tarp off, that's what Byron's doing. And you get to see a better view of it. So our true goal is to get this thing closed up. As far as how much to spend, it's not really been determined yet. There was supposed to be a whole nother metal roof put on, but don't know if they're gonna do it. So come on over here and take a look. This is what we got to deal with. Had a 1x4 on the floor for it to sit on. You can see where it sits. This 1x4 ran over to here. I don't know why a 1x4 there, but there's 2x4 here. And then these screws right here go into a 1x4 that they put in. And you can see the notches. Let me get out of the way. And we've got to do the same thing. We've got to get that thing back, put it looks like it had a 2x at the top. So we got to get that up, and we'll build the frame first and put insulation in that we don't have, and we'll see how much. We'll take this one apart, see how much of this is recoverable. Might be quite a bit recoverable. We'll see. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to take it apart. Maybe we'll have Clay do some video while we take it apart.